Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a requested recipe, restaurant style chicken salna. It is the best side dish for biryani and parotta. I would say chicken salna with parotta is the ultimate combo, especially when paired with a raita or Thai pachadi. So let's get into the recipe now. First, let's prepare the masala paste. You will need all the ingredients shown in the video. I will provide the detailed recipe in the description for you to check. Grind the ingredients into a slightly coarse paste and set it aside. Heat a pressure cooker with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Season it with the bay leaf, cinnamon stick and kalpasi. Though I did not have enough, so I did not use it. Add 1 medium onion sliced along with the curry leaves and 1 or 2 green chilies. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes, adding a little salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Then add 1 chopped tomato, saute for a few seconds, cover with a lid and cook until the tomatoes soften. The ground coconut masala paste is ready and I have chopped a few mint and coriander leaves. I have also marinated half kg of chicken with bones in turmeric, ginger garlic paste, salt, lemon juice and yogurt for 1 to 2 hours. Once the tomatoes are messy, add the chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves, saute for a few seconds. Then add the marinated chicken. Saute for 2 minutes or until the chicken releases all its water. This is an important step as it helps the chicken absorb all the masala flavor. Now add enough turmeric powder, chicken masala powder or mutton masala powder, a homemade blend my mom prepares for all non-vegetarian recipes, and coriander powder. If you don't have chicken masala powder, you can always use red chili powder. Saute until the raw smell of the masala goes away. Next, add the ground paste along with 2 to 3 cups of water or adjust to get the salna consistency. Remember, salna should always be slightly watery. At this stage, check the spice and salt levels and adjust according to your taste. Pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Then switch off the stove and let it cool down a bit. Our restaurant style chicken salna is ready. Although it looks watery now, as it cools down, it will thicken due to the ingredients like cashew nuts and fried gram. So don't worry if it appears watery when you open the pressure cooker. I will show you the consistency at the end of the video once it is cooled down. I used Rusingo brand Parotta here. We really like this brand because it has less oil and salt. It is a frozen parotta that we thaw and cook until golden brown on both sides. This salna pairs wonderfully with both parotta and biryani. I served it with parotta and raita. It is a fantastic combo, a must-try recipe. If you are looking for a plain salna or empty salna, just exclude the chicken from the recipe. Take a look at the chicken salna after 15 to 20 minutes. It has thickened and the consistency is now just perfect, just like in a restaurant. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you.